What are you doing? On Sunday, I went to the pumpkin chili party at Schnepf Farms with a group of my friends. It was so much fun because I got to bring Holly for the first time. She got to go to a pumpkin patch. I had this really yummy pumpkin cinnamon roll latte to start. We walked around and got to explore a bit, went on this train. It was a haunted train, but since it was during the day, it wasn't as spooky and it was really cute. Holly got to go on the train for the first time. And then we explored the pumpkin patch and had the littles with us too, which made it even more fun. Bailey is 2 years old today. Yay, Bailey, birthday girl. And then sadly the Doodles had to go home. I literally cried when they weren't at the house anymore. But then I made these really fun witch hat crescent rolls. I already posted the recipe. I'll make sure to link it below for you. Aren't they so fun and cute? They were super easy, only 3 ingredients to make. I was about to put this away and realized I never filmed it for you guys. Garnier sent me their entire new curl line of hair products, which I am so excited to try. You know I have naturally curly hair. So they've got like a shampoo, a conditioner, and a treatment for my curls. So I'll definitely let you know what I think of this once I give it a try. I'm actually about to take a shower now and try these out. They smell amazing. They also gave me a Jolie hair filter for my shower. I'm so excited to use that. And also a silk hair scarf to wrap my hair in so it doesn't get all frizzy. So thoughtful. Thank you so much, Garnier. Also, a big thank you to Pixie for sending me these lip blushes. I've had them for a few weeks. I've actually used one. They're really nice if you love lip stains. And these are kind of like a marker, which makes it even easier to apply. Definitely love these. You're going to see me wearing them a lot more this holiday season too, especially this red. It's like a bright, vibrant one. It's so pretty.
Hi, we're in Duden. It's very hard to say. And we're here, we're gonna have something for lunch, right honey?
Yes.
And it's just absolutely gorgeous here. We have our own little spot. Start us out with a little bread and a cute little butter. And look, they knew I was coming since the water was huge. Here's our fresh calamari that we're having for an appetizer. Looks really good. Okay, I ordered a grouper sandwich. And Dad ordered some mussels.
Also, I totally spaced and already put my Ulta order away, but I did get an Ulta order when they had the buy, I think it was like, I don't know, you had to buy a certain amount and get $20 off. And I needed to replenish this. This is what I used for styling my hair. One of the products, the Color Wow Dream Coat for curly hair. The other one lasted me a pretty long time though. I would say 6 months or more, but I only wash my hair once or twice a week. So just keep that in mind. I also did get a new lipstick that I will show you. I think this is Pat McGrath. And yeah, Pat McGrath in Skin Sane 2, the Satin Allure lipstick. The color is what really drew me to it because it was a dupe for another lipstick that's really expensive. I'll open this in just a moment, but I also wanted to mention that the products that I put away were more hairstyling products, like my Living Proof curl enhancer and the shampoo. And I also got some cotton squares. Also, Garnier is doing the most, and it's so sweet of them. They sent me this bag that says in case of emotional overflow, which is hilarious. And then inside was the micellar cleansing eco pads, as well as my favorite, which honestly I haven't used the waterproof one in a while. I always use the red cap one, but I love the waterproof as well, the micellar cleansing water. I used to talk about this like every empties video almost. So excited to have that in my arsenal again. Thank you, Garnier. And let's get to this lipstick. Let's see how this looks. I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed in the feel of the bullet. It's very plastic and cheap feeling, but the packaging is cute with the little gold bow. It's just like, I think it's like a $30 lipstick and when it's not on sale. So that's a little bit of a buzzkill. But the color is gorgeous. Look at that. And I'll swatch it on my hand right now for you guys, but I want to wear it and see if it works with my skin tone. It's a different kind of nude because it has some mauve tones, but it also has that warm undertone, a little bit of a slight coral. I don't know, I just thought it was a very unique and pretty shade, so we'll see if I like it on me. It's Monday afternoon, just left work. Today was the first day of the new medical assistant. I think she's gonna work out, hopefully. Of course, it's hard to know the first day. I am off rushing actually right now to a nail appointment. My nails are like way overdue. It's been a month instead of, I usually do every 3 weeks. And the last 2 times I've gotten my nails done, I've waited all the way to 4 weeks, like a full month, and they're just way overdue. I really wanted to do something really fun for Halloween, but because I'm gonna be Dorothy for Halloween this year, her nails can't be like super crazy. So I think I'm still gonna do a fall color, like a dark brown, possibly the cat eye again, because I'm obsessed with that cat eye look to my nails right now. So I'll show you after. So I did go with a deep espresso brown with a cat eye effect. They look like glass. I absolutely love how these turned out and they kind of match my latte. So I'm on my way to work, but I realized I never showed you guys my nails the other day. I'll insert a clip right here so that I'm not being super dangerous, but they're like an espresso brown with cat eye. I am wearing the same sweater I showed you guys last week and my cute little fall headband because today is like the last day that I'll be at the office. So I wanted to do something. What is this person doing? I wanted to do something fun for fall for the last day that I'm at work right now. And then later today, my friend Jennifer is coming over to just like watch Halloween movies and hang out for a little bit. And then I've got a lot of fun things I need to do tomorrow as well to get ready for the Halloween party that I'm going to at Brian and Hailey's on Friday. Okay, look at these adorable bowls that Jennifer brought over for us to have our popcorn in. We've got some monster kettle corn, and then we just have some leftover of the fun shaped gummies. But aren't these so cute? Okay, can you guys guess what this Halloween costume is? From a show. Hailey and I are doing it together. She's the blonde, I'm the brunette. Have you guessed it yet? Let me know down below if you end up guessing it before I tell you in a little bit, because I'm gonna end up putting the pictures in after this. So I'm about to make these cockroach candies. And I'm using pitted medjool dates. No added sugar to these, are just dates that have already been pitted. Using the Ghirardelli milk chocolate melting wafers and crunchy peanut butter. So I'm gonna fill the dates with the crunchy peanut butter. You see in the vibe here? Coating it in chocolate and then making these little legs with a piping bag. And I got this idea from somebody else on Instagram. I'll insert her name right here because I'm forgetting offhand. But she's the one that gave me this idea to do them for Hailey and Brian's Halloween party tonight that I'll be going to. How creepy cool are these yummy cockroach candies? I can't believe I said that in a sentence, but they really do look like cockroaches. It's actually creepy, but they're just the date, peanut butter, and chocolate. Toto and I are off to see the wizard. I am Dorothy today for Halloween. I'll show you like a full body one right here on the side because it's easier to do the other way around. But I've got to get going to the Halloween party, so let's get going. Look how scary Brian is for Halloween. It's creeping me out. And look how cute Hailey looks. Hailey, let me see your makeup. Look how cute. She looks so cool.
What was that? Damn, they are. Oh no!
Careful.
Oh my god, everyone's like easy.